Hello friends, good morning and welcome to this new video of C letter words. We discussed A letter pronunciation, B letter pronunciation in our previous videos, and I hope you have enjoyed those videos and you are practicing the words which start with letter A and letter B. So kindly take care of the pronunciation and you have to practice those words regularly to get a sharp pronunciation of words, and it will definitely improve the beauty of your language, and it will help you out to speak English with full confidence and in an impressive way. So I hope you are practicing this series of pronunciation and you are enjoying those words. In this video, I'll teach you how to speak out the words which start with letter C. So let's begin. Cabin, cabin, cabin. So here you have to emphasize on the letters which are with capital letters like cabin. Then calendar. I have discussed with you friends, whenever there is a vowel before R, so R should not be pronounced in any word. So we should say calendar, not calendar. Calendar. Carpenter, 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 not carpenter. It's wrong. You should say carpenter. Then cassette. Here K and S is small and set is capital. So you should say cassette, cassette. Then catastrophe. So friends, please remember you have to emphasize on the set of letters which are written with capital letters, right? So catastrophe, then chaos. You can also find out the meaning of these words and frame the sentences to get good knowledge of English, and after framing the sentences then you can speak out those words. It will help you out to get the right pronunciation. Character, then chauffeur. It's not chauffeur, chauffeur. Chemistry. People do say chemistry. So sometimes C is pronounced as ka or kha and kha as well, right? So chemistry. Chew, chic, colleague or colleague. Then comfortable. It's not comfortable, comfortable. Then communication. I have good communication skills, or I want to learn communication skills, or you can also say I want to learn communication skills. So sometimes people say ka or ka, so right word can be communication, right? Then community, computer, not computer, computer. Concept, congratulation. Then consolation. Let's revise it once more. Cabin, calendar, carpenter, cassette, catastrophe, chaos, character, chauffeur, chemistry, chew, chic, colleague, comfortable, communication, community, say community, computer. Here you have to emphasize on PYOO, that pew, computer, concept, then congratulation, consolation. So these are some words which start with letter C. So you can pronounce ka and kha both. There's no problem in it, but whenever you pronounce try to make your pronunciation right the way it has written on the board, and revise it after me. You will like this series of pronunciation and you will enjoy learning these words. Once you are through with the right pronunciation of these words, automatically it improvises the language which you speak or the English which you speak in front of others, and it will enhance your personality as well. So thanks a lot friends for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this series of pronunciation drills with me, and do connect with us to get more videos on your screen, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of Easy English Jabalpur channel on your cell phones. So have a nice day. Thanks a lot, and do share these videos with your friends and loved ones. And if you have any doubt, you can write down on comment section. I'll speak to you there. So have a nice day friends. Thank you very much, and do take good care of yourself. Bye bye.